The car you see on the screen right now is a Toyota Corolla with 1.2 million kilometers on it. Now, you read that right, 1.2 million kilometers. While many drivers in Turkey consider selling their cars after 150, 200,000 kilometers, in Japan, cars with millions of kilometers are quite common. And this is neither a miracle nor luck. It's entirely due to specific habits. I researched these habits one by one. I examined the maintenance log of a retired Toyota engineer from Osaka, Japan. Each page was like a separate lesson. In this video, I will tell you about 17 habits that the Japanese practice and that Turkish drivers are almost unaware of. And I promise, the first point is so counterintuitive that 90% of mechanics in Turkey would laugh when they hear it. Ready? Let's begin. Point 17. Change the oil before it's due. Tokyo taxi drivers easily exceed 500,000 kilometers with their cars. When the engine is disassembled, the inside looks almost brand new. The secret is this. Although the vehicle manual says 10,000 kilometers, they change it at 5,000 kilometers. Sounds exaggerated, right? But Toyota engineers admit it. The intervals in the manual are calculated for perfect conditions that we almost never encounter in real life. What do you experience in real life? Istanbul traffic, short distances in the morning with a cold engine, the oil cooling down again without warming up, working with degraded oil every kilometer, and this silently wears down engine parts. Oil change at 3,500 kilometers, engine overhaul at 350,000 kilometers. The Japanese do the math very well, and I'm warning you in advance. Every item on this list is this simple but this effective. Item 16, warm up the engine while driving, not while idling. In winter, you run the car for 10 minutes and wait, right? The Japanese do the opposite. Long idling dilutes the oil with fuel, blackens the valves, and burns gasoline. It damages the engine and wastes your money. The Japanese method is very simple. Start the engine, wait a few seconds for the oil to spread throughout the system, then drive calmly at low RPMs. Keep the engine speed below 3,000 RPM for the first 5 kilometers. This way the engine warms up 3 times faster than idling. The catalytic converter kicks in earlier, all parts expand evenly. This single habit can add 200,000 kilometers to your engine. That's all. Item 15. Use engine cleaner additive every 3 months. Japanese mechanics start cleaning before the engine breaks down. They add injector cleaner additive to the fuel every 3,000 kilometers. Now pay attention. We're not talking about ordinary products on the market. We're talking about special cleaners containing polyetheramines that effectively dissolve carbon deposits. The injectors of an Osaka taxi that had driven 800,000 kilometers were like new. The owner was using 200, 300 additives every 3 months. The injector cleaning service bill is at least